Hi, I have a Bush dishwasher. It is not finishing the wash cycle and is flashing the numbers 3 and 4. I have cleaned the filters out, but I don't know how to get to the pump to see if that needs cleaning.
Just to clarify, what's the make and model of your dishwasher? And have you run a diagnostic test cycle?
The make is Bush DWFS124B No I haven't. How would I do that?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Well, if it is just something that needs to be cleaned, then I could, but not if it's something else.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
There is some water left inside it, not draining properly.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. To access the pump on these, you need to pull the dishwasher out and remove the top panel. Then from there you need to remove the right-hand side panel. Under there you will see the drain pump. It will have the gray drain hose going to it. Remove the pump under there and clear out any debris that's stuck in there. But be careful, as it's usually glass that's in there. Once clear, refit the pump and retry the dishwasher, and fingers crossed this sorts it from there. Try that and see how it goes and let me know.
Thanks, I will give that a go and let you know.
No worries, that's fine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.